This would have been my 3D printed wedding ring, but the wife was not entirely on board with the idea of boats. Being determined to have a 3D printed ring, I instead designed one where the inside is polished, but the outside shows off the unique laser powder bed fusion printed surface. The wife said it looked like a machine part, but apparently she did not mean that as a compliment. So in the end I had to design a more traditional ring with rounded edges and a few hidden 3D printed features. With the wife's approval, I asked Alpha Laser to change the powder in their 3D printer from stainless steel to platinum, so I could get a ring that cost me 758 times more, and it still looks the same? I guess wedding related stuff is not supposed to be engineered. Oh well.